The chamber went silent when the kill grid armed. One mistake, and Earth would be erased mid-sentence. The council laughed anyway. "Proceed, human," they said, claws drumming, optics flaring. "Your objections have been logged." And dismissed. The ambassador didn't plead. Didn't shout. He raised one finger. Every alien eye tracked it, confused, amused, until the room's laws changed. A single digit triggered a cascade the council never modeled: unilateral consent withdrawal. Treaties nullified. Safeguards inverted. Their own protocols, written to bind lesser species, recognized the gesture as a lawful veto. Not a threat. A refusal. Power flickered. The kill grid hesitated. Humans had found the loophole. When faced with annihilation, they didn't bargain with weapons. They weaponized responsibility. They built systems that obeyed conscience before command, and forced others to do the same. The council scrambled, screaming about ethics, about precedent. The ambassador lowered his hand. "You mocked us for believing one person could stop an empire," he said. "You were right, unless that person was human." Like the video and subscribe for more HFY sci-fi stories.